All right. So I'm gonna be walking you through the full process on how to unlock the Samsung A06, which is our MTK device. So when you see FRP lock, don't panic. We're gonna be using the BFT tools today, which is the best flash tools, one of the best free tools you can find on the market. So what you're gonna do is that that's the phone. Let's watch this video and see something. So as you can see, the phone is actually logged now. I was trying to unlock this phone, bro. Yeah, I was doing the testing. So that's the phone, Samsung A06. So you need an internet connection and you need to install the BFT tools. If you don't have it, search the internet and you're gonna get it. When you open it up right here, it was the time I was through with the flushing. As you can see, I just say MT6768. That's the chipset, which is MTK device. Here is a web reset successful. So as you can see up here to the port name. So let me just put it here. So you're going to power off the phone first, and then you only hold the volume down key. Only the volume down key you're gonna hold when you power off the phone. You hold the volume down key, then you open your BFT tools right here. You go to services. You select MTK first, and then you go to services here. When you select services, you hit on the reset FRP right here. This one, reset FRP. If you want to hit it, you hit it up, and then it will check for the login from there. It will ask you what to do. It will then connect power off phone. Only hold the volume down key and power up the phone rather than hold the volume down key. That's the only good key you have to hold. And then after for some time the phone gonna flush. So yeah, if you love this video, please subscribe. I really appreciate it when you subscribe. So I just want to follow this video even small. So yeah, I was trying to figure it out. Okay, yeah, I'm on it. Loading, and after you flush it up, it will just gonna load. But if you try flushing it and then you go to the device management and you see MTK there, but then it's not flushing, try to filter the tools. To do the filtering, that's why I put a box right here. You just going to go to filter, you go to install driver filter right here, hit next. When you hit next, list of filters will be here. And then check for the one that say MTK. If you see any MTK here, you just click on it. If this one yellow filter, you click on it, it will say MTK. You click on it, then you install the filter. After you install the filter, try again and see. And I promise you, the tool is gonna flush the phone. So as you can see, the phone is under 14 by based on MTK. So yes, the phone is unlocked. After that process, the phone will be unlocked. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and God bless you.